2025 BMW M5. Overview introduction. The BMW M5 has long been the flagship of the M division, representing the perfect balance between luxury, performance, and everyday usability. Over the decades, it has built a reputation as a super sedan capable of competing with high-performance sports cars while still offering the practicality of a family vehicle. For 2025, BMW has taken a bold step forward with the new generation M5. Not only does it carry the M badge with pride, but it also introduces a revolutionary plug-in hybrid powertrain that reshapes what drivers can expect from a luxury performance sedan. Combining raw horsepower with efficiency, cutting-edge technology, and a more aggressive exterior, the 2025 BMW M5 cements itself as one of the most exciting sedans of the year. This new generation is not just an incremental upgrade. It represents a complete rethinking of the performance sedan concept. With hybridization, BMW ensures the M5 remains relevant in an era where electrification is becoming the standard, but it does so without sacrificing the high-speed thrills and precision handling that have made the M5 legendary. For buyers who want a car that can deliver blistering acceleration, comfort for long trips, and sustainability in city driving, the 2025 M5 is the complete package. Exterior design. The design of the 2025 BMW M5 is instantly recognizable, yet it has evolved to look more muscular and modern. BMW has taken its current design language and applied it with a sharper edge, creating a car that looks both luxurious and menacing. From the front, the kidney grills are slightly wider but not as oversized as some other BMW models, keeping the proportions tasteful. These grills are flanked by sleek, aggressive LED headlights that feature BMW's signature light signature, giving the M5 an unmistakable road presence both day and night. The bumper design has also been revised, with large air intakes that not only look sporty, but also channel air to cool the hybrid system and high-performance brakes. Subtle sculpting along the hood and fenders emphasize the power lurking beneath, while a lower stance compared to the standard 5 Series further enhances the aggressive character. From the side, the 2025 M5 features a muscular shoulder line and flared wheel arches that house massive alloy wheels, typically ranging from 20 to 21 inches depending on the trim. The side profile remains elegant, but there is a noticeable athleticism, with aerodynamic details like sculpted side skirts and subtle M badging. The roofline sweeps gently toward the rear, giving the car a sporty coupe-like silhouette while maintaining the practicality of a sedan. At the rear, the quad exhaust pipes return, a trademark of M models, integrated into a redesigned diffuser for improved aerodynamics. The taillights are slimmer, more angular, and feature a futuristic 3D design. A small lip spoiler on the trunk adds a sporty finishing touch. The overall design communicates a sense of power, refinement, and modernity, ensuring that the M5 stands out not only as a performance machine, but also as a luxury statement. Performance has always been the heart of the M5, and the 2025 model delivers a groundbreaking evolution. Under the hood, BMW equips the new M5 with a plug-in hybrid system. The powertrain combines a twin-turbocharged 4.4-liter V8 engine with an advanced electric motor. Together, they produce an astonishing 717 horsepower and over 730 lb-ft of torque, numbers that make the 2025 M5 one of the most powerful sedans on the planet. Power is sent through an updated 8-speed automatic transmission and distributed via BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system. This allows the car to achieve incredible traction, ensuring explosive launches and confidence in all driving conditions. The result is a 0-60 mph time of around 3.2 seconds, making it quicker than many dedicated sports cars. Top speed is electronically limited to 155 mph, though with the optional M driver's package, it can be increased to 190 mph. The hybrid system is more than just about raw power. It also allows for short-distance electric-only driving, offering around 25 to 30 miles of range depending on conditions. This means drivers can commute silently in electric mode, but still unleash the full V8 roar when desired. It is the best of both worlds, blending sustainability with adrenaline. Handling is equally impressive. BMW's adaptive M suspension has been refined, offering both comfort on long drives and razor-sharp precision during spirited cornering. The steering is direct and communicative, while carbon ceramic brakes provide immense stopping power. Drivers can also customize their driving experience with various modes, including hybrid, electric-only, sport, and track-focused settings. The 2025 M5 ensures that whether you are cruising on the highway, navigating city streets, or pushing limits on a racetrack, the performance is nothing short of breathtaking. Interior: step inside the 2025 M5, and you are greeted with a cabin that blends luxury, technology, and sporty design. The layout is driver-focused, ensuring that all controls are easily accessible, while the materials used throughout the interior reflect BMW's commitment to craftsmanship. Premium leather, carbon fiber accents, and aluminum trims create an atmosphere that is both upscale and performance-oriented. The centerpiece of the interior is BMW's curved display, which combines a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster with a massive 14.9-inch infotainment touchscreen. The system runs on the latest iDrive software, offering crisp graphics, quick responsiveness, and features like wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation, and voice assistant. A head-up display with M-specific performance data further enhances the driving experience. The front seats are M Sport seats, heavily bolstered to keep occupants secure during aggressive driving, yet comfortable enough for long trips. They come with heating, ventilation, massage functions, and multiple adjustments, ensuring both luxury and support. The rear seats are spacious, with ample legroom and headroom, making the M5 a true family-friendly performance car. Technology and convenience are abundant. Ambient lighting with customizable colors, a premium Harman Kardon or optional Bowers & Wilkins sound system, wireless charging, and multiple USB-C ports cater to modern needs. Advanced driver assistance features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automated parking make the M5 safer and easier to live with in everyday scenarios. Price: the 2025 BMW M5 comes with a starting price of around $120,000 in the United States, positioning it firmly in the high-performance luxury sedan category. With